Can we rebuild the Raptors and win a chip? We draft Christian Anderson Jr. at pick 20. We trade RJ for Desmond Bane. Here is the lineup to start the year off, better or worse. I traded Ingram and some picks for Denny. Here is the official lineup for the rest of the season. Wemby is ultimately your league's MVP. We finished the season 61-21 as the second seed. Round 1 versus the Brooklyn Nets. Gentlemen's sweep. Conference semis versus the New York Knicks. Toronto in 7. Conference finals versus the Detroit Pistons. No Hawkakavius Hakial Kakaula, we lost in 6. Thunder versus Pistons NBA Finals. At least we lost to the team who won the finals. Comment who I should do next.